There's a correlation on futures that actually have a index or a equivalent index during the cash market where I've seen this correlation. And maybe I should talk to my indicator people. And yes, or actually, no, I don't have indicator people. I have like one or two guys that I work with on indicators and see how we can maybe put this into a indicator or right now it's part of my process. And I'll just go through this quick. So on the NDX, we're about 2.5 hours before the market opens. We do have a news day, the FMOC, meeting or announcement or something that the big brains, the financial brains are going to do. Oh yeah, the FMOC announcement. And then the Fed chair is going to announce their second OnlyFans page at 14:30 market time. So 2:30 p.m. Look for the second announcement of the next Fed chair OnlyFans page. But one of the correlations that I see a lot is obviously when I do my pre-market, we're looking for who controls the market, the buyers or sellers, and we're looking for the reaction zones that would give us clues to that, and actually that we can trade against throughout the trading day. What's in play for that day is really what we're looking for. Now, what's in play for this day, at least the market hasn't opened yet. We do see an opportunity actually for a snapback trade, which I'm in now right now. But let's say the market opens around the close here. We have about a $90, $91 move. And of course, that's above the high, above the previous day high. So that's TA 101. Of course, you could say that. Except for it does correlate to our indicators and it correlates to a zone of this alpha. I'd go a little bit higher just to give us a little bit of an overshoot because what do I say consistently? Always expect an overshoot. If you put that into your trade plan, you won't be surprised. If it doesn't get picked up, you can trade accordingly. So let's say about $99. Now, that's the correlation on the NDX. Now, if we go to the NQ and we say, well, this is the problem. We go to the continuous contract. We look at kind of the same thing. The continuous contract doesn't give us the same look, obviously, because it's a continuous contract. But it is highly reliable on taking the signals and trading in conjunction with the current contract that you're trading. If you're confused, if you're new to futures, and I'll put a link down below that actually is a link to the CME that actually is really one of the best kind of basic overviews of how futures work. I'll put a link down below. So if you're brand new to futures and not sure what I just said, definitely check that out. So we got, I should be able to put $99 here, right around $100. So we'll just do this. So we're really looking at, and I've already previously outlined this zone right around 15545. So we do have maybe another $100 move here. Of course, the news events are towards the afternoon, so much of the market might be setting up for that. But that would be something that I would correlate to as far as this zone here is a zone that I should be watching for, which would have already came up in multiple ways. And that's one of the things, I hate to toot my own horn of the trade system that I developed. But I hear it every day too from other people as well. But there's many different ways to get to actually, I'm not going to say the answer, but the most probable reaction area that you can trade edge in. The most probable area you should be looking for trades. There's multiple ways within the system to get there that are viable. And actually, that's what we look for a lot is congruency. So, well, I was about to go down another rabbit hole, but I'll save that for another video. Two things you can do. Number one, if you're not a member of Discord, and I think I did mention here in this video too that the CME, I'll share a link to that down below in the description. But you'll see a link to Discord. This is where I share a lot of these ideas as well. I'm also taking, because one of the things with Discord is that things can get lost in Discord. And we're taking these concepts like this or videos, and I'm putting them into our site, rexdogtrading.com. So you can go there. You can also check out the podcast at rexdogtrading.com called Always In. So that'd be the next steps. Definitely subscribe here on YouTube if you're not. If you have questions, you can leave a comment down below. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.